Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Kiki, and today I'm going to teach you how to do the Roger Rabbit. So let's get into it. All right, so the Roger Rabbit is an old school hip hop groove that is very similar to the Running Man. But instead of us focusing on going forward, we're going to go back. And if you want to learn more about the Running Man, I have a tutorial on that, so check it out. So on the Roger Rabbit, we're going to kick back, okay? Let me turn to the side so you can see it. Right foot goes back, and you're gonna pull it in, shot. When I pull it in, the other foot comes up, so that knee comes up. So you kick back on this right, pull in it, and your left knee comes up. Then you switch to the other side, left goes back, jump in, right knee comes up, okay? So you're consistently pushing back and then pulling the other knee up. What you're not gonna do is you're not going to move backwards. It's gonna be very tempting and easy to move backwards, but you wanna try your best to stay in your same spot. So you kick, up, kick, up, kick, up, kick, up. Yes? This is a bouncy move just like the Running Man, so it keeps momentum. Again, it's like you're dancing on top of a trampoline and you're bouncing over and over and over again. So that's far as the feet. Let's do the arms. The arms swing back and come in, just like the feet. So they're following it, okay? You kick back, pull in, back, in, back, in, back, in, okay? So now you have your feet, you have your arms, but the most important part, the part that gives you that soul and makes it feel authentic and gives the groove, is your torso and your chest. What I'm gonna do here is, my chest is gonna go out, come in, out, come in. Otherwise as release, contract, okay? So, when I kick back, my chest is gonna go out. It's like I'm reaching two different directions, so we're going opposite, okay? So we have ha, come in, whew, contract, ha, hit, out, in, cool. I'm gonna face the front so you can see there's a little bit of a transition between each step. When you really get it down, I like to bring this foot around, ha, hit, ha, all right? So instead of going straight back, I'll show you what it looks like when I go straight behind me, tap, 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 which is fine. It's still the move. To add a little more sauce on it though, we go like a little rond de jambe behind ourselves, okay, using the fancy ballet terms here. So we have round, back, ha, 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 at the arms, hit, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so that's the whole Running Man, all combined. Yeah, all the elements: torso, arms, feet. Let's do it for 1 8 count, and then we will do it for a little combination afterwards. So here we go: 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. Now let's go 1, 2, double on one side, 5, 6, double on the other. So let's just break that down real quick because that can be a little confusing. On the double, we could kick back, take it up, kick back, take it up. So you're not switching, you're gonna just do the same move twice. We're gonna repeat. So from the top of that single, single, double, double, let's do the right side first. I'm gonna face the side so you can see my feet. 7, 8, right, left, and double, ha. Okay, it's not going back so much, it's just kind of re-stepping down so that left knee can come up. Let's do the other side. 6, 7, 8, and back, double, ha. All right, let's do it together now from the top. Single, single, double, single, single, double. 5, 6, 7. Here we go. Single, single, double, single, single, double. All right, and there's your Roger Rabbit. Practice it, send me a video. If you have any questions, let me know, and come back for more. Peace.